Today's episode, we are making the viral TikTok honey glazed chicken wings. Quick and easy honey glazed chicken wings with just 4 ingredients. Welcome to Cooking with Cassie and Family.
Yep, 4 ingredients that you already have in your fridge. This is the highlighted comment of the week. Thank you to every single person who has subscribed to the channel, liked the videos, and shared with a friend. You are the true MVP and the most valued members of the family. There are many variations of this dish, but this one is mine. Let's go. Here's what you'll need. Add all of your preferred seasonings to a plate or mixing bowl. To keep this easy, I will be using a mix of spices. I already had this in my spice cabinet, so use what you have. I mixed all-purpose chicken blend, seasoning salt, ginger powder, garlic powder, light paprika, and 2 Maggi cubes. First things first, we need to prep the chicken. Today I am using chicken wings that have been pre-cut from my butcher. Make your life easier and have your chicken wings ready to go, pre-cut or pre-prepped from your butcher, or just buy them in the pack, pre-cut or pre-prep. I washed and pat my chicken dry. I prep my poultry meats the same way every time, using a mix of salt, lime, or vinegar. When you're ready, add the seasonings to the chicken. Today, I will not be using a marinade. The seasonings will be my marinade for today. One less step. For bomb results, allow your chicken to sit in the seasonings overnight or for at least 30 minutes. I do not have that type of time today, so I'm going to show you my personal life-saving hack. I use this when I don't have time to marinate or allow my meats to sit in the fridge overnight. When cooking, prep is half of the battle. And if you want to win, seasonings are key. From here, we're going to take the chicken wings and transfer them to a pot, add them on the stove. And family, this is where the hack comes in. A lot of people will just add the chicken wings under the oven and allow them to cook. But in order to get the best flavor, cut your cooking time in half and have chicken wings that are falling off the bone. Add your chicken to the stove and allow them to cook on medium heat with all of your seasonings for about 20 to 25 minutes. Adjust time depending on the quantity of your chicken. If you don't have a lot of prep time and you didn't marinate for 30 minutes or overnight, using this technique is going to get you the closest flavor and texture to delicious tender chicken wings. Here comes the best part of this the 4-ingredient marinade. To your bowl, add barbecue sauce, yellow mustard, honey, and the secret ingredient, half an orange, half a cup of orange juice. When I tell you that this glaze is so delicious, I found this viral recipe on TikTok, decided to give it a try one night for dinner. Yeah, I'm putting this on rotation. I really can't see why it went viral. Mix all of your ingredients together, and the best part is you can skip any of these condiments if you don't have them. Substitute for any other condiments you have. On this channel, I'm a huge advocate of using what you already have at home. Stir all of your ingredients together. The key to this sauce is really the orange juice. That step is going to take your sauce to the next level. Trust me. And just like that, you can already see all these flavors coming to life. You already know what the next step is. Remove your chicken from the pot, add to your baking sheet, and then you guessed it, coat every piece of chicken with that delicious sauce. Do not skip a piece. And if you've made it this far into the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy recipes just like this one. Thank you. Now all you need to do, add this under your stove at 250 degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes. Just cooking time according to the quantity of chicken you're using, or cook on broil until golden brown. And that's a job done. Drop a fire emoji in the comments if you enjoyed this recipe. Shout out to you for making it to the end of the video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more recipes like this. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.